Welcome to Content Kadai, your go-to hub for all things creative and DIY. As the summer sun blazes down, it's crucial to adjust your skincare routine to combat the harsh effects of the heat. But who says skincare has to be complicated or time-consuming? In just 30 minutes, you can craft a comprehensive DIY skincare routine using simple household ingredients that will leave your skin refreshed, rejuvenated, and ready to take on the day. Let's dive into the ultimate DIY skincare routine to beat the summer heat like a pro, right here on Content Kadai. Kickstart your skincare routine by cleansing your face with a gentle yet powerful homemade cleanser. Head to your kitchen cabinet and grab honey, lemon, and yogurt, the holy trinity of natural skincare ingredients. Mix equal parts honey, lemon juice, and yogurt in a bowl to create a creamy cleanser. Honey locks in moisture, lemon brightens the skin, and yogurt provides gentle exfoliation. Massage the mixture onto your damp face using circular motions, focusing on areas prone to oiliness or impurities. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water to reveal a refreshed complexion. Hydrated skin is happy skin, especially during the scorching summer months. Create a hydrating mist that will keep your skin cool and moisturized throughout the day. In a spray bottle, combine equal parts rose water and aloe vera gel, two powerhouse ingredients that work wonders for the skin. Shake well to combine, and spritz the mist onto your face whenever your skin needs a quick pick-me-up. Rose water tones and soothes the skin, while aloe vera deeply hydrates and nourishes, making this mist your go-to companion for instant hydration on hot summer days. Regular exfoliation is key to maintaining healthy and glowing skin, especially when the heat and humidity can lead to a buildup of dead skin cells. Whip up a gentle exfoliating scrub using oatmeal, honey, and olive oil. Combine oatmeal, honey, and olive oil to form a thick paste. Oatmeal acts as a gentle exfoliant, honey provides moisture, and olive oil nourishes the skin. Massage the scrub onto your damp face in circular motions, paying extra attention to areas prone to dryness or roughness. Rinse off with lukewarm water to reveal a smoother, more radiant complexion. Protecting your skin from harmful UV rays is non-negotiable, no matter the season. Create a homemade sunscreen that offers both protection and nourishment for your skin. Mix coconut oil, shea butter, and zinc oxide in a bowl until well combined. Coconut oil moisturizes the skin, shea butter nourishes, and zinc oxide provides natural SPF protection. Apply the sunscreen generously to your face and exposed skin before stepping out into the sun. Reapply as needed throughout the day for maximum protection against sun damage. Finish off your DIY skincare routine with a luxurious nourishing mask that will leave your skin feeling soft, supple, and rejuvenated. Mash half an avocado and mix it with honey and yogurt to create a creamy mask. Avocado is rich in vitamins and antioxidants, honey adds moisture, and yogurt soothes the skin. Apply the mask evenly to your face. Sit back and relax for 10 to 15 minutes. Rinse off with lukewarm water to reveal a radiant complexion that glows from within. As you wrap up your 30-minute DIY skincare routine, take a moment to appreciate the natural beauty of your skin and the power of simple ingredients found right in your kitchen. With each step, you've not only pampered your skin but also embraced a sustainable and affordable approach to self-care. So, whether you're lounging by the pool, exploring the great outdoors, or simply enjoying a lazy day at home, remember that your skin deserves the best care, no matter the season. And with Content Kadai by your side, you'll always have access to creative and innovative DIY tips to elevate your skincare game. Now, go forth with confidence, knowing that your skin is nourished, protected, and ready to shine bright under the summer sun. Stay cool, stay hydrated, and until next time, happy crafting from Content Kadai.